this feels strange. A serious video. It's just a quick one to help any of you ex-console players out there struggling. I know what it's like to feel like you want to be on controller, but there is another option. I struggled myself jumping onto PC, couldn't get my head round mouse and keyboard, and then yeah, I came up with this. Have a quick look. This is my way around it. It's my Tartarus. As you can see, it's just a wooden tray that I've made. It fits on your lap, and I put this at an angle. I worked out the most comfortable angle. I tried it with it flat, couldn't get on with it, so I put it at an angle, and it's ideal. It's like holding a big controller. You've got your WASD there. All these buttons are programmable. Different profiles you can set up as unlimited amount of profiles, as far as I know. It's ideal. So these people that struggle with controller, you don't have to. This is a big controller here, and you get the benefits of the mouse. Well worth a try. Like I say, it's just simply a wooden tray, set up at the angle, most comfortable, and you'll see it's just velcroed on. That just holds it where I want it. If someone else comes along, they want to change it, they can put it at a different angle. All different angles, whatever you find easiest. So give it a try if you're struggling with mouse and keyboard. Well worth a shot. So there we have it. Helped me out loads. It took away that struggle of mouse and keyboard, which it seems strange coming off a controller. It's not, you don't get it straight away, but it is a lot easier. So I thought I'd just share that with you, and yeah, go and build yourself one. Helps out loads. And say, if you like any of the videos, give us a like and subscribe. Take care.